So there needs to be change, and you can do that through revenue. Just there needs to be change, or else this could actually hurt our economy in the long run. And this is the unemployment rate. You can see that we don't reach the 10% because it's not completely current. This is in 2009. But you can see how we don't hit the top of the unemployment rate until after the recession. So that's kind of, you can see we're about right here. But just thought that was interesting.
All right, so we're going to talk about Japan's recession for a little bit. The 1990s has been referred to as the lost decade. During this time, Japan went through a major recession. They kept passing stimulus package after stimulus package, but they failed. They ended up passing about 10 different stimulus packages, which netted them about 30 trillion yen in debt, which is equivalent to about $80 billion. So, and all those stimulus packages kept failing. In 2008 to 2009, Japan slipped into another major recession, and this was because their housing market also failed, their stock market failed, and their exports took a major hit. You can see that in the beginning of 2009, exports fell to just to the U.S. alone by 37%. That's 50% in automotive industry, which is one of their biggest exports, and then 60% in audio equipment. So companies like Sony and Pioneer and stuff like that, they took a major hit in 2008, 2009. So this resulted in massive job cuts. The unemployment rate went from 3.9% in November of 2008 to 4.4% in December. That's a pretty substantial margin. I know compared to our unemployment, that's not a big deal, but to Japan, that's a pretty big deal. Their current unemployment rate is still right around 4.4%. Like I said, the stock market crashed. Their Nike 225 dropped to 7,021.28, which is 55% lower than the high in 2000.